We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Concentrate on another question, another topic, which is known as common emitter configuration of transistor, in common emitter configuration of transistor. First of all, this is the topic which is known as common emitter configuration. Advantage of common emitter configuration. This is connected with basically unit number 2 topic according to syllabus of basic electronics. So try to understand this topic very carefully. What is the meaning of common collector configuration? Why it is useful? That all the point we have discussed in this particular class. See, this topic is common emitter configuration. Its self name indicates emitter is common between base and collector. Emitter is common between the base and collector, itself indicates. Now I have sketched the diagram. See, this is I have sketched the diagram related to transistor. See, this is the N terminal. Sorry. Common emitter configuration that we have discussed here. See, this is the N-type semiconductor. This is the P-type semiconductor. And this is the N-type semiconductor. Now, if we can apply the voltage, see this is the voltage. Base to emitter. Base to emitter, it is known as emitter. It is known as base. And it is known as collector. It is known as collector. So base emitter junction for the transistor operation, base emitter junction that can be connected in forward bias, and collector base junction that can be connected in reverse bias. So first of all, base emitter junction that can be connected in forward bias through this battery. This is known as VBB. This is known as VBB. That's why I have write here VBB. Now, due to this VBB battery, here also one resistor is present which is known as RB. Now here current that can be flow which is known as IB. Why IB? Because input current is IB. Now due to this current flow, electron can be traveled towards the emitter to base, and collector base junction must be present in reverse bias. So see this is the collector. Collector base junction reverse bias means what? Collector can be connected as with positive terminal, but see this here directly connection of collector to base, it is not possible. Directly connection of collector to base is not possible. Why? Because emitter is common. That's why all the electron can be transferred via emitter. Please try to concentrate here. All the electrons that can be transferred here, that can be transferred via emitter. See this, I have sketched here the register. Here register which is known as RC register, and here VCC. VCC. I have write here with clear words. It is known as VCC. Now, due to this battery, see this is the current. It is known as IC current. Now, remember that point. Whatever electron that can be transferred. See this. This is the electron. See this. This is the electron that can be transferred through base via emitter. Why? Because emitter is common. So here I have write that in common emitter configuration, common emitter configuration of transistor, in common emitter configuration of transistor, emitter is common, so collector to base connection, collector to base terminal not connected, not directly connected with emitter, directly connected with each other, sorry, all the connection between all the connection between collector to base is via emitter only. See, this is the golden words related to common emitter configuration. Please try to concentrate here. If here emitter is common, that's why all the electron can be transferred to base. It is via emitter. So emitter itself emits the electron. Emitter itself emits the electron. Emitter itself emits the electron. That's why large number of electron can be travel from emitter to base. Assume that if here 100 electron is present, assume that if here 100 electron is present, if here 100 electron is present, if here 100 electron is present, then this electron can be traveled towards emitter, and after traveling of emitter, consider this point, at this point also emitter is, electron is large, more number of electron can be present here, see this. So at this point, so it is known as large number of electron that can be present, large number of electron can be present. So at this point, see this particular point, at this point more than 100 electron is obviously present, more than 100 electron is obviously present, more than 100 electron is obviously present here. So large number of electron can be transferred into base, and some of the electron that can be combined with hole, 2% electron that can be combined with hole, see this hole, and remaining electron can be traveled towards the collector. So collector current is more large compared to base current and emitter current. That's why collector current is always large in common emitter configuration. Why? Because all the electron can be traveled towards emitter. All the electron can be travels towards emitter, or all the electron can be traveled via emitter. That's why collector current is always large in common emitter configuration of transistor, but in common base configuration transistor, emitter current is low compared to common emitter. Why? Because in common base configuration, emitter is not common, but in common emitter configuration, all the electron can be traveled towards emitter terminal. That's why collector current is always large. That's why collector current is always large. So it is the basic explanation related to common emitter configuration of transistor. Now see this. Now see this. This is the circuit diagram of common emitter configuration of transistor. This is common emitter configuration of transistor. This is the circuit diagram. VB battery, RB register, transistor symbol, RC and IC. So loop equation, VBB equal to base current IB, IBRB plus VBE, voltage drop across base to emitter, and output loop equation, VCC equal to VCE plus ICRC. It is the output loop equation. So it is the basically loop equation related to common emitter configuration of the transistor. Related to common emitter configuration of the transistor, and this is the correct explanation. See this. This is the correct explanation. Draw the circuit diagram of common emitter configuration of transistor. See this. This is the circuit diagram. I have also sketched the in whiteboard. Now see, this is the equation of collector current derivation. Most important related to external examination. See this, IC equal to alpha time IE plus ICBO. ICBO means what? It is the leakage current. ICBO means what? It is known as leakage current. Leakage current of common base configuration. Remember this point. In reverse bias condition of the PN junction diode, only leakage current can be flow in the circuit. Only leakage current can be flow in the circuit in reverse bias. Obviously, collector base junction can be present in reverse bias, so leakage current is more high compared to leakage current is much required as high as possible. But in common emitter configuration, leakage current is always high compared to common base. Why? That I have also explained with the help of whiteboard. See this, in common emitter configuration, why leakage current is high. See this, in common emitter configuration, why leakage current is high. See this, leakage current is current that can be flow in the reverse bias. And what is the meaning of leakage current? Minority charge carrier, current flow due to the minority charge carrier. I have write here, current flow due to minority charge carrier. Current flow due to minority charge carrier. Now see this here. Here in p-type semiconductor, some of the electron can be present. In p-type semiconductor, some of the electron can be present. See this electron. See this electron. See this electron. And here in n-type semiconductor, some of the hole can be present. Minority charge carrier. It is known as minority charge carrier. See this. See this hole. Now hole and electron can be combined with each other. This hole and this electron. Remember that point, in reverse bias leakage current can be flow. And also this electron can be attracted this hole. Attracted towards this hole, and this electron can be goes like that. So more number of electron can be flow in entire circuit compared to common base. Common base configuration, emitter is not common. It is transferred through base to collector directly. But here direct connection is not possible. Here indirect connection is possible. That's why in common emitter configuration, large number of current can be flow compared to common base. And what is the input current in common emitter configuration? Common emitter configuration input current is IB and output current is IC. It is always large compared to input current. That's why common emitter configuration is very, very useful compared to common base. Try to understand this point. All the procedure can be transferred via emitter. All the procedure can be transferred, all the electron can be transferred via emitter only. That's why emitter current is always large compared to collector. Sorry, emitter current means, sorry, base current is always large compared to collector current. Remember that point. In entire circuit of transistor, any type of configuration, always emitter current is large. Always emitter current is large, but try to understand this point very clearly that collector current is always large compared to base current, but it is always less compared to emitter current. So it is known as common emitter configuration of transistor. All the electron travel via emitter only. Remember that point. Collector base junction directly not possible to connect with each other. So it is the correct explanation regarding the common emitter configuration. Leakage current is always large in common emitter configuration of transistor compared to common base. Try to understand this point. I have explained with the help of derivation. So prepare this point very carefully. IC equal to alpha time IE plus IC equal to alpha time IE plus leakage current. See this equation. So alpha IE equal to IB plus IC. This is the symbol of plus sign. IE equal to IB plus IC plus ICBO. So IC bracket ma alpha minus IC, alpha IB plus ICBO. So IC equal to alpha upon 1 minus alpha into IB. See, this is the IB, and ICBO upon 1 minus alpha. ICBO means what? Leakage current due to common base configuration. But here scenario is changed. It is known as common emitter configuration. So ICBO upon 1 minus alpha, it is known as ICEO. So alpha upon 1 minus alpha, it is also known as beta. Alpha upon 1 minus alpha, it is known as beta. So alpha upon 1 minus alpha is equal to beta. So IC equal to beta time IB plus ICEO. Collector to emitter voltage with base open. Means what? All the electron can be transferred. All the electron hole combination transfer via emitter only. That's why it is known as common emitter configuration. IC equal to beta time IB plus ICEO. See this. So beta equal to current gain. So beta equal to current gain. ICBO upon 1 minus alpha એટલે ICEO. So beta equal to current gain delta IC upon delta IB. So output current divided by input current. So IC equal to beta time IB plus ICEO. See, this is the last equation and most important equation related to example plus MCQ. So try to understand very carefully. And what is the meaning of beta? Beta means what? Current gain, output current divided by input current. Delta IC upon delta IB. Now see this equation. Delta IC upon delta IB. Base current is always low compared to collector current. That's why beta is always vary between 50 to 200. Try to see this very carefully. Beta always vary between 50 to 200. I have right here. Beta always varies between 50 to 200. So it is the correct explanation regarding the beta. So please concentrate here. Beta equal to current gain. Now see, more number of electrons that can be traveled, and all the electron can be traveled via emitter only. See this very carefully. For transistor amplification, base emitter junction in forward bias, while collector base junction must be required in reverse bias. But here scenario is different. Base emitter junction is forward bias, but collector base junction directly not connected with each other due to emitter common. So whatever electron transfer through base, through collector, it is transferred with the help of emitter only. This is the main statement regarding entire theory. Transfer with the help of emitter only. So next, emitter can be considered as a connecting bridge which connect the collector and base terminal with each other. Electron can transfer at collector via emitter terminals. This is the correct justification. So more number of electron, here 100 electrons, so obviously here more than 100 electron. So what is the difference if increase? Is difference, it is known as beta. Here more than 1000 electron, due to emitter also emit this electron. That's why emitter current is always large. Emitter emits its own electron, so at B point electron is more. So electron more than large amount of current flow at the collector. So collector current is more improved compared to common base. So beta equal to current gain delta IC upon delta IB, and here collector to emitter current. ICEO means what? Collector to emitter current with base equal to upon. Always we can measure the output characteristic. That's why input is constant. So it is known as the correct explanation related to common emitter configuration. And here we can use the input-output loop equation of the common emitter configuration of transistor. And last, we have discussed the example related to common emitter configuration. See this example very carefully. See this example very carefully. A change of 250 millivolt in the base to emitter voltage caused the change of 1 milliampere in the base current. Calculate the dynamic resistance. Obviously, dynamic input resistance means what? Input resistance divided by input current. Also in loop equation we have discussed that input voltage is delta VBE, input current is delta IB. So answer is 250 ohm. So answer is 250 ohm. So it is the correct answer. Now see this is the second example. Dynamic ground base configuration, voltage drop across the load resistance at 4 kilo ohm is 3 volt. Calculate the base current. Load resistance means what? RC. RC equal to 4 kilo ohm. 3 volt. It is the VCC. I equal to V by R. So 0.75. So collector current is 0.75. Alpha equal to 0.96 already given. So alpha equal to IC upon IE. So I equal to 0.78, 125 milliampere. And IB equal to 0.003 milliampere. So it is the answer. See, this is the question. In a dynamic ground base configuration, voltage drop across the load resistance of 4 kilo ohm is 3 volt. That's why it can be considered that VCC. Assume that this is VCC. And determine base current if alpha equal to 0.96. So here we can get this particular value. Here we can get this particular value. So it is known as IB equal to 0.03 milliampere. So it is the last answer. So it is the last answer related for that. Thank you very much.